Okay, so the last part for cubic graph, this is type 3, where we have 3 real roots, or we can write down y equal to a, x minus b, x minus c, x minus d. So that means the graph will cut x-axis at 3 different points, b, c, and d. So this is for a greater than 0, so we always start the graph from the right hand side, so we have point. As you can see over here, we cut at 3 different points. So this is a less than 0. So we start from the left hand side. We must cut at 3 points. So let us go to the first example. So we have y equal to x, x minus 1, x plus 2. So firstly, let us check what is the shape of the graph. So if I expand everything, x multiply with x, multiply with x, oops. So we got x cubed over there. So that means a is equal to 1. A more than 0, so when we draw, we have to draw from the right hand side. So x-intercept when y equal to 0. So we got x, x minus 1, x plus 2 equal to 0. So either x equal to 0, x equal to 1, or x equal to negative 2. Y-intercept when x is equal to 0. So let us substitute x with 0. So y equal to 0. 0 minus 1, 0 plus with 2. So 0 multiplied with everything is always 0. So this one is y equal to 0. Okay, so x-axis, y-axis, we're going to have 3 x-intercept. So 3 points, this is negative 2, 0, and 1. So since we have a that is greater than 0, so start our graph from the right hand side. We must meet 1, and then we're going to cut at 1, meeting 0, cut at 0, meeting negative 2, and going down. So the graph basically looks like this. So we start from the right hand side, cut at 1, and then cut at 0, and basically we must cut at negative 2 as well. So this is graph for y equal to x, x minus 1, x plus 2. Okay, so the second example, we have y equal to x, x plus 1, 2 minus x. So shape of the graph, let us try to expand them so that I can see what is the coefficient of x cubed. So x multiplied with x is x square multiplied with negative x is negative x cubed. So that means a is equal to negative 1. A less than 0, so when we draw our graph, we have to start from the left hand side. X-intercept when y equal to 0, so we got x, x plus 1, 2 minus x equal to 0. So x equal to 0, or x equal to negative 1, or we might have x equal to positive 2. So we have 3 distinct x-intercept over here. For the y-intercept is when x equal to 0. So y is equal to 0, 0 plus 1, 2 minus 0. So 0 multiplied with anything is always equal to 0. So this is y equal to 0. So let us have the x-axis and the y-axis. After that, let us put the x-intercept 0, negative 1, and 2. So we got 3 points here, negative 1, 0, and 2. Okay, so basically the graph, so shape of the graph is negative, so I should start from the left hand side, meeting negative 1, and then we should cut at negative 1, meeting 0, and then we should cut 0, and then we should meet 2 and cut at 2 as well. So basically this is how the graph looks like. So we start from the left hand side, meet negative 1, cross them, and then we're going to meet 0, cut at 0, and then we're going to meet 2, cross at 2 as well. So this is the graph for y equal to x, x plus 1, 2 minus x.